Good morning to everyone. My name is Bira Minarity of Fairroad 3B of roll number 2194. My topic is about resistance, resistance welding. Resistance welding is a liquid state welding process in which metal to metal joint is made in a liquid or molten state. Resistance welding is also known as a thermoelectric process in which the heat is produced at the interface surface of the welding plate due to the electric resistance and controlled low pressure is applied to these plates to form a weld joint. It uses electric resistance to generate heat, therefore, it is called as a resistance welding. The resistance welding is a very effective pollution free welding process, but it uses a limited it uses are limited due to high material cost and limited material thickness. Working principle of resistance welding. It is a welding process in which the heat is produced by the resistance offered by the workpiece for the flow of current, electric current through them. In this process, the parts to be welded are held together. A high current is passed due to resistance to the flow of current. Heat is produced, which is sufficient enough to fuse the material. At the same time, pressure is applied to the weld region so that the fused workpieces join together. The heat is produced by is given by H equals to I square RT. Types of resistance welding: spot resistance welding, projection resistance welding, seam resistance welding, flash resistance welding, butt resistance welding. Spot resistant welding. Spot welding. In this process, the part to be joined are held firmly between two heavy electrodes which are connected in the secondary circuit of the step-down transformers. The maximum resistance exit at the contact surface of the two parts being joined and high heat is developed. The heat developed fuses the workpiece at the electrode spot. At the same time, the pressure is applied to the workpiece through the electrodes and the welding takes place. The current supply of amount of time must be sufficient for proper melting on interface surface. Projection welding. Projection welding is similar to this spot welding but uses a flat electrodes in the current flow and the resultant heating are localized for the projection. Hence, thick parts can be joined that cannot be joined by spot welding. The workpiece is held between the electrodes and large number of current passes through it. A small amount of pressure is employed through the electrodes on welding plates. The current passes through the dimple dimple which melts the its causes pressure dimply to level and form a weld. Seam welding similar to the spot welding but it is continuous. Weld is produced by passing the work between the rotating wheels shaped electrodes. This exhibit the welding pressure and also conduct the welding current. It may be continuous or interim first. The rollers are exposed to the workpiece. The high amount of ampere current is passed to the rollers. The interface surfaces will melt and forms a weld joint. New rollers starts rolling on the work plate. This forms a continuous weld. Flash welding. It is a type of resistance welding process in which is used for joining together the ends of sheets, wires, rods, and tubes. Hence, the electric arc is produced in the gap between the workpiece until the welding temperature is attained. The pressure is applied to produce a continuous welding. Butt welding. Butt welding differs from the flash welding in that no arc takes place between the surfaces being joined. The heat is produced so slowly by the electric resistance at the butting surface of the uh, butting surface to the flow of the current. Thank you.